My people, I greet honor. Nothing where we no go here inside this world where we dey. I just hear say one oyinbo pastor don confirm say Jesus no dey come anytime soon. Say because wetin una never donate enough money for am. And say Jesus coming, e depend on the donation. Say na that one na go speed up the coming of Christ. Una see say this pastor, I no even know wetin I go call am. They are na pastorical scammer because I don't know English or what I go use to do. I beg inside which Bible passage this one day. But before I continue, make una follow me watch where this man for talk this one.
I honestly believe this, that the reason why Jesus hadn't come is because people are not giving the way God told them to give. You see what I'm saying? Wow. I mean, when you understand it, you can speed up the time.
Yeah.
Because you see, he wants to see us as much as we want to see him. You see what I'm saying? And so what has hindered all these things is, it's because people are not doing in the financial realm, because we live in an economic world, what God's called them to do. You know, he's called us to do that. So I don't have a problem with giving. I don't have a problem with receiving. It doesn't make any difference. Because I just made up my mind. I want Jesus to come. Now, they said, do you own a jet? Yes. You can have it the day after the rapture. It's yours. Because Jesse is going to heaven.
Hey, money. Una see wetin money don't make people they do. So I beg pastor, I don't really understand you. Shey you dey try tell me say now wetin dey delay Jesus say na money for transport? I been na how because I know to understand this kind thing. And I no go surprise. See, as this pastor come outside, open him mouth talk this, some mumu people they go still believe say yes. Now wetin Jesus won't be that na transport fare dey delay. Una better wise up. Make una wake up, make all these pastors stop to dey deceive una. Because some of una upon everything una no dey gree wise up. Now why pastor go dey talk say okay carry your pants come, I want you and do this, and you sef you go mumuli and foolishly carry and go drop. But this one always come dey add money, I don't know wetin they try talk. Then na the money they find, because if you now watch this video, a guy even still they brag. But anyway, for those of now who be say on our what made Jesus quick come, I get advice for now. But on go do GoFundMe for Jesus. So that I go use the money to transport himself, come back to earth to come carry on we don't dey ready to go, because as for me I know they ready. So you will be say you don't ready, God, they don't talk and say now donation, now money, now they delay Jesus Christ our Lord. So if you don't dey ready, carry your lifetime saving. Because all those 20 and 30 where they put as offering, you know go a long way. So carry your lifetime saving, carry and go give your pastor. Then by then you go see the coming of Christ. Mumu things they really happen, my viewers. But anyway, now here I go end them on this matter. Making us stay tuned for our next story. Trouble there, my people. One woman don't come outside, they narrate how her husband, ex-lover, one they try blackmail her. Say she and this her husband now waiting the woman they talk say she and this else girlfriend they don't they date since. And since all this while this lady no come outside come talk say okay my husband do this one, your husband do this. Now she can't come outside. They talk say she won't post the nude picture of this man. Say boy if she no go post am make this wife pay her 2 million naira. This one even they very funny to me. You don't even plan your execution well. But anyway my viewers, make it follow me watch.
I beg. I did today. Oh, one person called me with unknown number. The person say, yeah, my husband don't date. Saying this very sorry for waiting he about to do tomorrow. Say he won't post no nude picture. He won't post nakedness picture of my husband and herself for social media tomorrow. So the only thing wey go stop her now if she collect 2 million. I say, your media, nobody know you. Let me help you and post it. Nobody know your social media. Not say you get up to 500 followers. Give me the nude. I will help you and post it. You and a man dated how many years ago? Because people don't they know for social media. You can't fix an attempt to bring out a nude picture. I don't want to make tomorrow come. If you had called me like last week, send me those pictures. This is where to post the nude. We have Insta blog. All the media you need is here. Bring the nude. Let me help you and post. Bring the. Let me tell you the kind of men I like. I like men who their prick they public. I don't like hidden ones. Bring it. Let me help you. This your write-up is rubbish. Bring the nude. Let me help you and post. You see this I did? I die here. Give me that food chop. I die here. The grace. Look at this fine boy. Let God give me. I'm woman I get there, man. You tell me, things. Now you wake up to come collect 2 million. You know, say children food land. See how this one. My sister, if you like, send him now where they sleep with you. I don't believe here why I did. This is how the top is going to kill. I don't believe him. Tomorrow morning, post time. First time. Now here I go there. Under 10 days, you go die down.
Oh, I don't see say person where they even try blackmail. She never even send on her. Because I even really like this woman. Say she never even carry this matter person. Until they don't talk, bring the video. She go even help you post her. As you want post your husband, post her. Some ladies no get sense. You don't even think this your whole thing well. You and a man don't date how many years? No be today, no be now. The man don't remarry, don't even want pikin. Now you can't remember saying you won't pay him back. You won't send your nude picture in which you yourself dey inside. Una dey see the height of foolishness. Your own face self dey inside the video, but you no mind. Make your own face nick. She said she no go mind now. She be not be she na the husband. And you no even get sense reach that level in which you go tell you say na the husband picture now I get to na the husband nude. Make her go blackmail the man. You no go meet the man. Woman will be saying nothing concern her. She don't even know anything about this relationship. You can't carry the matter when they meet her. You and person go enter relationship. You go call the video the person. I beg, what it can be the essence? What will be the essence of the video? You say you won't use and later on the person to collect money and be how. Now what we get to say women and so women are they fear them. They are reasoning and they are evil thinking. And you know they make me they even understand. But until no stress yourself, just go delete them or you keep the video. Or last, Kuku just post and make all of us see. Last, we go do the video, we go talk about them. And at there you go end, the man go receive in shame. Because all this way they drive because of 2 million. I'm not sure say 5 naira you go see collect from this one. Anyway, my viewers, now here I go end on this matter. Make sure stay tuned for our next story.